ISRO. It was launched on July 14, 2023 from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota on 23rd August 2023. The mission has achieved successfully soft landing on the moon. It is followed on Chandrayaan 2, which failed to make a soft landing and crashed down touchdown. The main objective of Chandrayaan 3 is safely and softly land on the surface of moon and conduct on-sat surface. So for only 3 countries, the USA, Russia and China have successfully soft landed on the moon. India will be 4th country to achieve a soft landing at moon and first to landing in the lunar southern pole.
South Pole, lunar South Pole, okay?
South Pole. Chandrayaan 3 will be consist of a lander, module, population, module here and rover. The lander is called Vikram. Rover is called Pragya. The Vikram will be responsible for soft landing on lunar surface, while PM carries lander and rover configuration and provides population and attitude control for entire mission.
Okay.
The rover will be used to explore the lunar surface and collect scientific data. Chandrayaan 3 mission is a significant achievement for Indian space program. Thank you everyone and sir.
Thank you. Yeah. Handshake.